Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The shores of the island of Jamaica are caressed by the breathtakingly beautiful azure, turquoise, and teal waters of the Caribbean Sea. There are few communities whose residents enjoy those spectacular vistas enroute every day. Welcome to perhaps the most desired of those in the community of Sandhills, Hellshire, St. Catherine. In this quiet, upscale community sits this charming gem of a home on a spacious quarter-acre lot, featuring two bedrooms on the ground floor, one of which can be your helper's quarters, and an additional four ensuite bedrooms upstairs. This unit offers ample space for a family. An upstairs office, kitchenette, and large patio are all extras. As on the ground floor, there are spacious kitchen, living, and dining rooms. The house also comes with hot water tanks, cctv and security system, a jetted bathtub, and standby generator. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 39.5 million or US $256.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.